Hello, friends. It's Nyasha, your audiologist, and welcome to our series on causes of hearing loss. So today we're going to talk about one of the most common causes of hearing loss, which is loud noise. Okay. Did you know that loud noise could lead to permanent hearing loss? Well, maybe, no, yes. Okay, so this is how it happens. Inside the ear are little tiny hair cells that help us hear. So when you get exposed to loud noise, it can be one loud burst or it can be like prolonged exposure to loud noise. For example, the noise in industries, mines, at concerts, and any loud noise you can think of.
Even our phones can be a risk, so recreational noise is not just about concerts. You know, when your phone warns you about exceeding recommended volume levels, it's actually signaling that you're potentially damaging your hearing if you go beyond that. If you're using earpieces, make sure the next person should not be able to hear what you're listening to. So it's any noise really.
When you get exposed to it, the tiny hair cells in the ears can get damaged and it leads to hearing loss. And the unfortunate thing
it's usually irreversible.
So why am I telling you this? It's so that you act. If you get exposed to noise wherever you are, be it at a concert, be it at work, or wherever you get exposed to noise, use ear protection consistently. Take breaks in between. Stay as far away from the sound source as possible. Let's protect our ears because once it's gone, it's gone. And we love our ears, right? So let's protect them.